Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to find the average of a numerical feature in a Pandas data frame. So let's start. I've got a file open here with me and I've also uploaded this file to GitHub. I'll leave a link to that file in the video notes so you can download the file. I've also got the test.csv file which I'm using, and I've also got a link in the video notes to point to where that file is and where you can download that. So let's start. In the first cell, all I'm doing is I'm importing pandas and then I'm reading the file. So, and then let's just see what my data frame looks like. So I'll just hit that and it's giving me passenger ID, passenger class, name, gender, age, and so on and so forth. So I might want to find the average age, for example. So all you need to do is we assigned df. So the data frame df contains the file, and all we type is df.age.mean and shift enter, and it gives us the mean age. Similarly, let's say you want to find the fair. Let me just copy this, and you can say, and then do a shift enter. Oops. So yeah, this has to be in capital letters, and now I'll do a shift enter and it's giving me the average fair. So in this video we learned how to find the average for a numerical measure or a numerical feature in a pandas data frame. I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you enjoy what I'm doing. Cheers, bye.